Everyone, welcome back to the Salesforce Apex course. So in the previous video we learned what is Apex, why Apex is used and how to run our first Apex code. Now in this video we are going to understand one of the most important tools for Salesforce developers, which is developer console. Okay, so let's see what is developer console. So developer console is a tool provided by the Salesforce for development, okay, for writing code. With the help of developer console, what we can do is we can write Apex code, okay, we can test code, we can check logs, we'll see in some minutes, okay, or what we can do is we can see errors, what errors we got, and we can understand how the application work, okay, behind the scenes. In simple words, developer console is like a workspace for Salesforce developer, okay. So now let's open it practically, okay. So log into your Salesforce developer org, and here you will see the gear icon on the top right side, and you will see developer console, okay. So click on the developer console, it will open in a new window, okay. If you want to open it in the same window, you have to just press your control key and then click on developer console, it will open in the same window, okay. So now we will understand the important sections one by one. So first, look at the top menu bar. You will see file, edit, debug, test, workspace, help, right? So right now the most important menu is debug, okay. So because from here we can write Apex code. So now click on debug and then click on open execute anonymous window, okay. You can also see the shortcut for this is Ctrl+E, okay. So now let's understand what is mean by it, okay. So now first is execute, okay. Execute means run, and here anonymous means writing code without creating any Apex class or file, okay. Without creating any class or Apex, we can write code in this anonymous window and we can execute it instantly, okay. This is very useful for beginners while practicing Apex, okay. So now let's write our code again, okay. Let's write our code again. Here I will write System.debug, and here in single quotes I will write hello again, okay, and semicolon. So now here system is a built-in Apex class, okay, and debug is used to print messages, okay, and inside the parenthesis we write the text we want to display, okay, and here semicolon marks the end of the statement, okay. So now let's click on execute. Make sure this open logs checkbox is checked. Let's execute this code, and here click on this blue bar, and here you will see options like logs, test, checkpoints, query editor, okay. So we will go to logs, and here is our newly generated log, okay. Here it is, and the status is success, okay. So now here you will see many lines okay, you can see limit usage and bytes, okay, and here you can also see user debug, and here the message is hello again, okay. So here you will see many lines, okay, but don't panic. Even experienced developer don't read every single line, okay. So for beginners we only need to focus on one thing, that is user debug, okay. That means here you will see hello again, that means our code worked successfully. Now let's understand why debug logs are important, okay. Imagine You write some code and something goes wrong. Maybe output is incorrect, okay, automation is not working, or an error appears. In those situations, debug logs help developers to understand what happened, okay, what the problem occurred, and how to fix it. Okay, that's why debug logs are one of the most important tools for Salesforce developer. Here you can simply this check this debug only checkbox, and here you will see your message hello again. Okay, so now let's open our anonymous window. You can go to debug and then click on this, and simply you can press Ctrl E. You will see this window. Okay, so now let's print something else. Okay, let's print welcome to Salesforce. Okay, so to run this code, we will click on execute, and the logs will generate it, and we can go, and to simply see our message we can go to debug only, and here we will see our message welcome to Salesforce. This means our code is running, code is successfully executed. Before ending this video, let's quickly revise what we learned today. We learned what developer console is. We opened execute anonymous window. Okay, we executed Apex stores. We understood debug logs. We learned about user debug, and we understood why developers use logs. Okay, that's a very important foundation for learning Apex. In the next video, we will start learning variables and data types in Apex, and that's where we will begin actual programming concepts step by step for complete beginners. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for the complete Apex series. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.